WANZAA. Kwanzaa is almost here. We celebrate fresh fruits. We give thanks for our roots. We're so glad Kwanzaa's almost here. KWANZAA.
Woo! And tell me about Kwanzaa. Who celebrates Kwanzaa?
Remember the guy's check?
Be still.
Who celebrates Kwanzaa?
Jewish. No, not Jewish. African American.
Okay. And sing your Hanukkah song?
Hanukkah song? What was it? I can't remember.
And who celebrates Hanukkah?
Jewish.
And who celebrates Christmas time?
Americans.
Just Americans in
No.
general?
People who believe in Jesus Christ.
And what is Christmas about?
Christmas is it's about
Be still.
family and friends coming together to celebrate holidays and being thankful
For
for Jesus Christ. And people come all together to celebrate Jesus' birthday.
That's right.
that is right.
I would say this.
Now
There's
say that with
another
Caitlin and sing a Christmas song.
I don't want to.